Okay, I know what you're thinking. Vegetables? Yuck, right?
They look like monsters from a spooky movie waiting to ruin your dinner.
Oh, the horror! But Chomp, once you get past the look, a whole world of power wakes up. See this? Broccoli isn't just green, it's brain fuel. It turns your noggin into a supercomputer. And carrots, they're like night vision goggles for your eyes. Super sight activated. Spinach is the ultimate repair kit. It builds muscles and keeps your heart beating like a drum. It's not just food, it's a garden riot for your health. Your mind and body will thank you. So grab a bite and join the party. Vegetables are the coolest heroes in town. Woohoo!